Track 8, Too Good Tuna Salad, inspired by Drake, Too Good. Ingredients: 2 cups of spring lettuce, 1 can of light chunk tuna, 2 tablespoons of light balsamic dressing, 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, 1/4 cup of cucumbers, 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1 ounce of dried craisins. This recipe provides 290 calories, 6 grams of fat, or 8% of your daily value, 1 gram of saturated fat, 5% of your daily value, 0 grams of trans fat, 50 milligrams of cholesterol, 17% of your daily value, 600 milligrams of sodium, 26% of your daily value, 14 grams of carbohydrate, 5% of your daily value, 4 grams of dietary fiber, 14% of your daily value, 0 grams of total sugar, and 44 grams of protein, 88% of your daily value. This tuna salad is too good and healthy too. This salad is rich in leafy greens, high in fiber and lycopene, an antioxidant found in tomatoes to help reduce the risk of prostate cancer. The tuna is also a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Toss and add the dressing of choice. I would recommend using light vinaigrette-based dressing versus creamy dressing to reduce calories. You can also consider adding more fruit such as strawberries or mango for a tropical, delicious tasting twist. Directions: add all ingredients in a mixing bowl, toss, and add dressing, and serve.